Welcome. In this video we will see Sparta tool in Linux. So basically, what is Sparta? Sparta is a Python graphical user interface application which simplifies network infrastructure penetration testing by aiding the penetration tester in the scanning and enumeration phase. It allows the tester to save time by having a point-and-click access to his toolkit and by displaying all tool output in a convenient way. If little time is spent setting up commands and tools, more time can be spent focusing on analyzing results. Features: run nmap from Sparta or import nmap XML output. Transform staged nmap, get results quickly and achieve through coverage. Configurable context menu for each service. You can configure what to run on discovered services. Any tool that can be run from a terminal can be run from Sparta. You can run any script or tool on a service across all the hosts in a scope, just with a click of the mouse. Define automated tasks for services. Default credentials check for common services. Of course, this can also be configured to run automatically. Identify password reuse on the tested infrastructure. If any username or passwords are found by Hydra, they are stored. They are stored in internal word list, which can then be used on other targets in the same network. Ability to mark hosts that you already worked on so that you don't waste time looking at them again. Website screenshot taker so that you don't waste time on less interesting web servers. Now let's see tools. One of the beauties of Sparta is that it integrates so many tools into this one single graphical user interface. When we click on Tools tab, Sparta displays numerous tools that we can apply to this target system, including MySQL default, Nikto, SNMP enum, SMTP enum VRFY, SNMT default, SNMP check. Let's open up the Sparta. For that, Application Information Gathering, Sparta. Here I am opening using terminal. So let's open up the terminal and type Sparta. Here you see that Sparta graphical user interface is opened. To get started with Sparta, we need to provide it with a host to scan and enumerate. Click here to add host to scope. Here one window is opened. We can add the IP address or range of IP addresses to scan. Type 192.168.0.1/24. Click add to scope. Sparta will start scanning our host now. Sparta results. My subnet has more machines on it. Sparta also runs a Nikto scan on the system if it finds port 80 open. We can click on the Nikto tab to see the results of the Nikto web app vulnerability scan. We can go to the information tab. We can get more detailed information on particular highlighted system. Notice at the bottom of the screen that we get more specific information on the operating system of the target. That's it in this video on Sparta tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.